in today's guitar tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to play Radioactive by Imagine Dragons. This is a beginner lesson, so all we're going to need are 4 chords and 2 strumming patterns. Hi, my name is Amber and I'm the stellar guitarist, so grab your guitar and let's begin. Alright you guys, so let's start off with the basics. The first thing you're going to need to know is that the song is in standard tuning, but we're going to be needing a capo on the 2nd fret. Right, next up, the main chord progression that you're going to need to play, and this is used throughout the entire song, starts on an A minor, to C major, to G major, and to D major. Moving on to the strumming pattern, we have 2 strum patterns in the song. We're going to start with the first strumming pattern, which is used in the verses. The strumming pattern sounds like this: down, down, up, down, up. So if we put the chords and the strumming pattern together for the verses, it sounds like this. Okay, moving on to the chorus. The strumming pattern is a little bit more punchy, so we're going to start with 3 down strums. Down, 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 and then at the end of the pattern we're going to do a down, up. So it sounds like this: down, 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 up. Down, 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 up. I'm waking up. The last section that we're going to be learning today is the bridge. Now this is the quietest section of the song, and it's also actually the easiest part of the song. We're going to use those exact same 4 chords, and we're going to just do 1 down strum on each of the chords. 4 counts between each strum. 1, 2, 3, 4 to C, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and to D, 2, 3, 4. All systems go. The sun hasn't died deep in my bones, straight from inside. So that is how you play Radioactive by Imagine Dragons. If you've enjoyed this lesson, then please give me a really huge thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my videos and you'd like to see more guitar tutorials just like this one, then don't forget to subscribe and become part of the Stellar Guitarist community. Please feel free to pop down into the comments below and leave any song requests. It really gives me inspiration as to what it is you guys want me to teach. So that's it for now. Thank you guys for hanging out with me today, and I'm sure I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye!